why few people earn a lot of money and they are consistently getting rich, and why there are a lot of people, more than 95% of people are struggling even to earn a secure income for themselves, and they are struggling throughout their life. So in this video I'm going to share with you the 5 key of creating wealth. First key: create wealth. You can do it either by doing a job or by doing a business or be an investor. If you're doing a job or business or anything, ask yourself this question on consistent basis: how can I help more and more people? How can I give them a better product or services? Second key: spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Spend less than you earn and invest the difference. You have to create an investor mindset. And when the time comes of investment, many people think that how can I buy that expensive property? You can start investing in equity, that is in share market, and very small amount. So spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Third key to become a financial free. If you want to become a financial free, then the third key is this: manage your finances well. Learn from the expert. Attend those seminars, those workshops, and learn how to manage your finances. Okay, so there are so many products and tools are available, and you can manage your finances. Means how much money you require for your general purpose, that then for your taxes, how much money you can invest for your future, on your learning and for your child future. Learn all those different products and tools. Okay. The fourth key: protect your wealth. You can do this by either investing in property or in jewelry. Again, there are so many financial products are available, but you need to learn, protect your wealth. Here I would like to share one dialogue from a movie. So that dialogue is this: if you want to create wealth, then the dialogue was that I like more, that if you want to be healthy, the first rule is this: protect my wealth. And the second rule is remember the first rule. Protect my wealth and remember the first rule. Okay. So you need to protect your wealth. Many people, they become rich by either quickly or by winning a lottery or even by doing very hard work, and they lose money just like this, and then they collapse. Okay. So protect your wealth, and for that also you need to learn. Fifth and the very important key, because we want to reach, because we want to become a rich, and for that we are working so hard, and many people know all these keys, but to implement this information, this knowledge, it's very hard for them, because some people are having so many bad habits, specifically in terms of money, and they have so many bad beliefs. They always protect their money. They never enjoy their money, and that is our fifth rule: enjoy your wealth. You must reward yourself. Many times we think that we have this family responsibility and we have to save our money and for our children, for our future, for our old age. Okay. And we give everyone, but we never give to ourselves. Okay. So when you are working so hard, you must reward yourself. And sometimes you can give yourself a surprise. Don't suppress your wishes. Sometimes you can give yourself a better gift. If you want anything, and if you have that dream, if you want to purchase any tool, any gadget, any toy, any car, or toy, maybe any car or anything which is affordable to you, but you are just postponing. You are thinking about money, that this money will help me. I'm talking when you will become healthy, that time you don't just protect your wealth. Okay, not in initial phase. Many people start earning money, and when they have good amount of money, and in initial phase, they just spend on expensive car, expensive mobile, or on expensive home. I'm talking when you will have that much health according to your dream, then you must enjoy your wealth. Okay, so these are the 5 points. First point is this: learn how to create wealth. Second, spend less than you earn and invest the difference. Third was manage your finance well, and for that you need to learn. Fourth is protect your wealth, and fifth, enjoy your wealth. Okay, this is Yogesh Bagul, and thank you.